Yes, ako na naman. Welcome back to another recording of coding. Wow. So, syempre, ay, ulit-ulit tayo dito. Let's start. Okay, first, package grading system, which is this line declares that yung class belongs to the grading system package, and which is used din siya for organizing related classes. So, the next is the import. Import Java something. Yan. Dito, sa line na to, it imports the scanner class from the Java package, which is used to read input from the user. So, parang, yes, nire-read niya yung mga input ng mga user. So, dito, sa main method naman natin is, it is the main method where kung saan yung program execution begins. Dito magsisimula lahat. Mapapansin nyo rin, meron ako nakalimutan na ilagay sa taas. So, mamaya sa video, malalagay natin yan. Sorry, nakalimutan ko. So, let's proceed na muna sa ating code. So, dito naman, yung scanner initialization natin, which is yung scanner input, new scanner, open and close parenthesis, system, in. Dito sa line na to, it creates a scanner object named input that reads input from the standard input stream, which is typically the keyboard. So, ang next naman natin is the system out print. Ito na, dito na natin nako-code ang ating prompt. Ang code prompt kung saan yung users may enter na nila yung scores ng activity, project, recitation, midterm exam, and final exam. Next step is, yan, ika-copy-paste na lang natin para hindi na magtagal. Then, palitan ng dapat palitan. So, next, double class standing. Dito, sa part na to, is, kinakalculate niya yung class standing by averaging the activity, project, and recitation scores. Then in this part, dito na kinakalculate yung final grade based sa weighted average of the class standing, which is the 60%, midterm exam is 30%, final exam is 10%. Next is, yan, gagawa lang tayo ng ating border. Yun lang. Border lang. Then, dito naman sa line na to is, dito niya pinaprint ang calculated final grade formatted to 1 decimal place using printf. let's proceed sa ating if-else statement, which dito niya chine-check if the final grade is greater than or equal to 75. If it is greater than 75, ipiprint niya remark passed. Otherwise, it prints remark failed. Then let's proceed sa ating grade category, which is this line calculates the grade category by dividing yung integer part ng final grade by 10, which effectively groups grades into categories. For example, 90 to 100 becomes 9 or 10. 80 to 89 becomes 8, and so on. Then, yung ating switch statement, it uses the grade category to determine the appropriate remark. Dito din sa ating switch statement, no, chine-check niya yung value ng grade category and pinaprint niya yung corresponding message based sa case na nagmamatch. So, for example, if yung grade category is 9 or 10, pinaprint niya dito, may kita nyo, is yung case 9 to 10 equals excellent. Ayun. Then, the default case handles any value of category that don't match any of the explicit case values. So, kinapi-paste ko na lang din para hindi magtagal at pinalitan ang dapat palitan. Then, ayan. Patapos na tayo at titignan natin kung aandar ba ang code. Then, dito naman is i-close na natin yung scanner object to release system resources. Then, i-check na lang natin ang mga kailangan i-check para if may mali man is makorek. Ayan. Check lang, check. Check lang ng check. Then, ayan, tinry ko i-run pero nag-error dahil nakalimutan alisin. Nagka-doble-doble. Kaya nag-error pero na-correct din natin siya. Hindi lang talaga nakita ng aking mga mata na nagdoble ang isang statement dyan. And may kulang sa mga letters. Siyempre, pag magka-code tayo is dapat be mindful sa mga nilalagay natin para hindi mag-error yung code. And also, the capitalization ng mga words dyan, kailangan din maging mindful. Kaya ayan, nag-error siya pero nagawa natin siya ng paraan. So, let's try to run it again. Then, ayan. Gumana na siya. Nag-run na siya ng maayos. Nandito, ilalagay natin yung mga example scores which is yung nasa papel na binigay sa amin. Yan. Itatry natin siya. Kung makakalculate niya nga ng maayos. And yet again, it is a successful code, but a stressful one. Yan, napagod talaga ako dyan kaka-record. But it is successful. So, thank you for watching. Mauulit pa to, itong recording na to. Nasabi ko sa inyo. Bye-bye! Okay na to siguro. Sige, lumayas na tayo. Bye!